In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track product revenue in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clear reusable report that shows how much revenue a specific product is generating, all within Pipedrive's built-in reporting tools. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to Insights on the left pane. Insights is your analytics hub, and this is where all your reports live. We'll create a brand new one so you can focus on a single product's performance. At the top left, click Create and choose Report. This opens the report builder, where you define exactly what you want to measure and how you want to see it. Think of this as setting the question you want your data to answer. Next, select Deal as the entity. Then, choose Products as the report type. Selecting Deal tells Pipedrive to pull information from your deals, and pairing it with products ensures the results are tied to specific items you've added to those deals. This combination is what allows you to see revenue attributed to a particular product. Now, let's narrow the focus. Set the filter so that deal product name is your selected product. This filter makes sure your report only includes deals that contain the product you care about. If you sell several items, this is the key step that isolates just one of them. Be precise with the product name you select so the data reflects exactly what you intend to track. With your filter in place, scroll to the Graphs section and pick a visualization that matches how you want to read the data. You might prefer a bar chart to compare periods, or a line chart to spot trends over time. Choose the one that helps you interpret your numbers at a glance. Below or alongside the chart options, you can change the measure. Adjusting the measure lets you decide what the chart sums or counts, such as total revenue value, number of deals, or quantity sold. For revenue tracking, make sure the measure reflects the value associated with the product, so you're seeing monetary impact rather than just volume. When everything looks right, click Save. Give your report a clear, memorable name so you can find it quickly later. Saving locks in your setup and adds the report to your Insights library. Finally, return to Insights anytime to view this report for your product. It will update automatically as your deals evolve, giving you a real-time window into product performance without rebuilding anything. That's it. Your product revenue tracking is ready to go.